Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss about airways. Air transport is the fastest and the costliest mode of transport. The transport is commercial air. It's now one of the most prominent modes of overseas transport. This transport has its growth of within the invention by of airplane by Wright brothers. This airport travel can be separated into two general categories. First one, domestic flights. Second one, international flights. What is the meaning of domestic flights? Domestic flights, it is the flights operated from one point to another point within the same country. It is called domestic flights. Second one, international flights. These flights operated from one point of one country to another point of another country. One point of one country to another point of another country is known as international flights. There so many advantages of in air transport. This air transport is provides to regular services to the customers and convenient, efficient and quick services. Then the so many goods for like vegetable, fruits, egg, meat, etc. can be transported quickly. Then it does not require huge investment. It construction and maintenance for track like railways. Then provide comfortable services for passengers and safety for their goods. It can be used to move goods to areas inaccessible to other means of transport. It saves some to save occasion to save human life from danger. Then disadvantages of transport. It is a very costly mode of transport. It is a very costly mode of transport. Then aircraft not quite suitable for carrying heavy loads and weights. This air transport is not possible for suitable for carrying heavy loads and weights and weather which mean distribute the air service suddenly. Then most of the suddenly it is construction and maintenance are involve a huge capital expenditure. In the air transport disadvantage is huge capital expenditure. Then therefore an airplane cannot fly over another country without obtaining its proper permission to concern authority. Then let us see services of transport to business. It is first one, it increase the efficiency of production. The efficiency of production, it creates place and time utility. Then the objective of production is consumption. At the time, this transport makes production efficient and purposeful of the goods. Then second one, it stimulates wants to buy increasing quantity and variety of consumer goods. At the time, the efficiently transport goods cannot be had either at the quantities or varieties required in a complex economy. Then third one, it develops and expands the market. The distribution of goods must take place easily and economically and speedily. And expanding national land and international market. It expanding to the international market. Then it is helpful price stability of the goods and to the consumer of all over to the country. Then it aids to economic growth. It aids to economic growth. It transport for remarkable role into the growth of all industries from agriculture and to manufacturing. Then it helps in specialization and mass production. It means from division of complex production of production for each person group in each every process it can be extended to international level. Then it encourages invention in production or and designings. It means it that provides plenty of opportunity to the producers to produce their product in creative way. It wide market and reap more profit. Then Documents used in transports. It is what are the documents used in transport? It is first one, way bill, railway receipt, charter party, bill of lading, air consignment note. Is those they are followed by the documents used in transport. First, you can see way of bill. The way of bill mostly acknowledgement of receipt of goods for transport by to the carrier. At the goods consigners to the consignee, is the way of bill's name of the consigner to the consignees. Then a railway receipt. The railway receipt most of acknowledgement of goods by the railway for the transporting. At the time, it may be issued in the name of the consigner or consignee. Anytime he will next the railway executing and intimately bond with ownership of goods can be transferred by endorsement and delivery for the receipt. Third one, charter party. The charter party when the consigned of the large goods into the quantity. At the time, whole or substantial party of the ship. In the document is which is contract is made is known as charter party. May also be known as voyage charter or time charter. Who cries this ship is known as the charter. The charter becomes responsible to the third parties for the act of the masters and crew of the ship. Then bill of lading. The bill of lading is document containing to the terms and conditions. What are the terms and conditions is to the bill of lading? It is used shipping company signed by the captain of the goods described it is on the board of ship. What are the main content or are there? The name of exporter, name of the ship, place of loading, particulars of goods shipped, port of destination, freight or to be paid, person to whom delivery of goods is to be made, date, etc. If some of the packages are found damaged, a foul or class bill of lading is issued. Then air consignment. The air consignment is divided into the three part of that. It is first original party or one signed by the consigner and to market for the carrier. And second is signed by the both the consigner and the carrier and marked of the consignee. It is then third is signed by the carrier and handed to back to the consigner after the goods have been accepted. It is for the air consignment. Then common carrier. It is the common carrier is a person who is engaged in the business of carrying goods for hire for all persons. At the persons, the liability of common carrier is governed by Carriers Act 1865. It is the first one is the bill of lading and shipping bill. The both of example for to the common carriers. It is for example, city buses are common carrier. It is under common law rules. Most of the transport plays are dependent role in the economic development of a country by helping the business community and public in an enormous way. Thank you, student.